What do you do with those Saturday night leftover ribeyes? Slice up your leftover ribeyes. Cut up some bell pepper, onion, Greek pepper. We're gonna bring the old acorn up to about 300 degrees. Drop a little oil on the cast iron right there. Woo! Listen to that sizzle, son. Sprinkle on some pepper. Kosher salt. Red pepper flakes. Stir them around. All right, now these ribeyes were already cooked, so all we want to do is just warm this up right here. Gordon Ramsay, homeboy, you can't say nothing about this right here. Drop that provolone on there. What? That's what I'm talking about, son. A little mayo on the bun. Oh man. Oh, it's hot. That is off the chain. And that's what you do with a leftover ribeye steak. That rocks.